working on this Picasso, 2010 if I'm not wrong, and on the dash it's not coming up anymore, but it is at times, and it comes up with this error on the screen. It's intermittent, so what we're going to do a regen on it, and then hopefully reset the sensors, and that should work. So I've gone on the DPF regen section, which is the forced regen, and it's just telling me the bits and bobs, you know, you need these codes. Here we are, we're happy with all that. Just telling them basically the ins and outs, the risks. I'm happy, so there we are. And here we are. It'll kick in a second as far as I know. So here it is, it's kicked it in now. If I go to the back, usually not all the time, but it will start smoking. As you can see, it's smoking quite a bit. Doing it, yeah. So it's still going, and smoke has lessened, as you can see. So now if I turn the car on, alt message should go. See, that's front left door, and on here if we go into the engine, trouble codes, it's nothing there anymore, and I've done a live data as well. All the pressure and everything's coming back as good, in other words, so everything's fine. There's no loss of power anymore, as you can see, and it's not smoking, no smoke at all anymore, which is good news.